guys, this is Utkarsh Ahuja, the project leader of this Capstone project Immune System. I am the coder and the video producer of this project. As a coder, I had coded the entire program which could resolve our problem statement. Being a video producer, I had produced this entire video. Obviously, I am the project leader. I had advised my team members and took advices from them.
Hi, I am Nikhil, the data expert, information researcher, and marketer of this project. As a data expert, I surveyed the user and collected sufficient data to analyze our problem statement. To focus upon being an information researcher, I did play significant role of uh, collecting data from the team that needed to be responded and had a great researcher over it. Also, I prepared the project logbook and managed spokesperson within our team as a
My name
marketer.
is Anuj and I am the designer and tester of this project. I plan the user interference prototype. I work with the users to test the prototype, gets feedback when the prototype has met the user requirements. I also creates a plan on what needs to be fixed and priorities for the future
Health can
improvements.
buy wealth, but wealth cannot buy health. Keeping this in our mind, we had made our project based on healthcare. We had found a lot of people that they cannot take care of their health properly due to their hefty schedules and busy lifestyle. So, to assist them, we had made a chatbot which can detect their disease and could advise them how to cure it. So, how can this chatbot be useful and accessible to everyone? So, let's see some of its
So,
key
beginning
features.
with its programming, only a single module, that is Tinker, has been utilized to code the entire program. The main reason behind it, when we look behind our progress in technological version, the older version had become backward, thus to bring them in mainstream, that is to let them access. Then the modern coding, we used only one, and that a pre-built module too. When we talk about its interface, so the interface is made a little bit comfortable. A number of buttons have been used in this program to reduce the time consumption in typing and maintaining our patience level. To explain it, for instance, which graph is plotting more easier, MS Word or a Google collab? Definitely your answer will be a MS Word, since it has been a button work equivalent to
What an
line.
awesome features it has. But how this chatbot works? So let's move on to my system so that I can let you know how to operate this. So guys, I'm here into my system and you can see the entire code I have written for my chatbot, that is Immune System Health Assistant. So when I click the run button to run this code, I get a new window appeared with some text Immune System Health Assistant. So here is an entry box in which I can type any message and the bot would reply me according to it. So let's try. I'm beginning with some simple greetings such as hello. So when I click the send button, I got some greetings from the bot side also, and that good day. And further it says, dear sir, ma'am. Actually, I'm very curious to know you. Please type your name in patient's name. Okay, so here is a patient's name widget in which I have to type my name. And when I click the send button, I got some compliment from bot side. What a lovely name, dear. And further, it asked me that how am I? So I typed here, I am not feeling well. As soon as I clicked the send button, I got a new window appeared. Before going on to this window, I wanna see what bot replied me. So it said that sad to hear, dear, but I can help you. How? So I'm gonna opening a new window for your symptoms details and thus disease prediction. So basically, this window is going to predict my disease or detect my disease on the basis of the symptoms I would enter. So at first, it is asking for my name. So I'm inputting my name once again. Here, first symptom, let's say abdominal pain, acidity, back pain, and let's say, sorry, back pain, and let's say anxiety. When I hit the enter button, I got the new buttons here, and that window got disappeared. What bot had given me, it had given me all the details which I had filled: patient's name, first symptom, second symptom, third symptom, and the fourth symptom. So now, let's predict our disease. It said that you might be suffering from GERD or GERD. That is, it is giving me the probability that might be I'm suffering from this disease. Now, what is this disease? I don't know. So I wanna get a disease description and I click this button. So I got some description of the disease, that is GERD is a digestive disorder that affects the lower esophageal sphincter, the ring of muscle between esophagus and stomach. Okay, how can I take precautions against it? The answer is given by precaution and cure button, that avoid fatty spicy food, avoid lying down after eating, maintain healthy weight exercise. Now, when I click this treatment button, I got the preference of homeopathy treatment over allopathy treatment in case of GERD. Okay, when I click the operations button, I got some medicinal support, that is the name of a few medicine that can cure the disease. So here they are: Nexium, Prevacid, Prilosec, and Protonix. And here I want you to remember that no medicine should be taken without the prescription or consultance of the doctor. So let's take the consultants. When I click this button, a new window emerged, which I would talk later, because I have to know what consultants of doctor it had given. So it had given me a list of 5 doctors with their name, their specialty, their experience, and I would like to tell you that all the doctors in the list of all diseases are from AIMS and they have really very much qualified. And these have been taken from the top 10 doctors. Okay, so as you are aware that when I click this consult doctor, I got a new window appear where the thank you is written and a button with goodbye, have a nice day is written. So when I click this button, both the windows got closed automatically. So this was my Capstone project based on healthcare chatbot. What are your opinions about it? Please give the feedback for sure. Thank you.